Are you actually building wealth, or are you just gambling with a fancy app on your phone? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are diving deep into the psychological pivot, moving from a trader's mindset to an owner's mindset. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop chasing green candles and start building a legacy portfolio. We've spent years analyzing the TX ecosystem and the broader blockchain landscape to see what actually separates the whales from the retail casualties. The trader versus the investor. Most people enter crypto wanting to trade the market. They focus on the 15-minute chart and the latest hype cycle. But to truly think like an investor, you have to stop looking at a token as a ticker symbol and start looking at it as a piece of a business or a protocol. Trading is about predicting price. Investing is about valuing the underlying technology and utility. In 2026, the winners aren't the ones who timed the dip perfectly, but the ones who owned the infrastructure. The power of ownership and ecosystems. When you own an asset, you are betting on the growth of an entire network. Take the TX ecosystem, for example. Instead of guessing if a token will go up 10% tomorrow, ask yourself, does this project solve a real-world problem? This is where DeFi, that's decentralized finance, comes into play. By providing liquidity or staking, you aren't just holding, you're participating in the economy. If you want deeper insights into these frameworks, check out coherencedaddy.com for a more philosophical approach to wealth. Time horizon, your greatest edge. The biggest mistake gamblers make is the urgency trap. They feel they must win now. An investor thinks in years, not hours. When you extend your time horizon, the daily noise of the market becomes irrelevant. Stop asking, what is the price today? And start asking, where will this project be in 2030? This shift in perspective removes the emotion and replaces it with conviction. How to audit your portfolio. To start thinking like an investor, perform a utility audit on your holdings. Go through every coin you own. If you can't explain the fundamental value it provides without using the word moon or pump, you're gambling. Shift your capital toward assets with real adoption and sustainable tokenomics. Visit to-kins.fi to explore tools that help you track the actual health of your blockchain assets. Shift from predicting price to valuing utility. Embrace long-term ownership over short-term speculation. Focus on robust networks like the TX ecosystem. Wealth isn't made in the trade, it's made in the waiting. Stop gambling and start owning. If you're ready to master your mindset and your money, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button if this perspective shift helped you today. Comment owner below if you're done with the gambling and ready to invest for the long haul.